Hey yo! Hey yo! Beer review time coming at you live. One more time from Daft Punk is playing at my house. I missed doing these old school at home. It's fun. I mean, it's nice to get out there in the wild and get a guest on and whatever. But you know, tradition is tradition. We were going strong for a while before we were allowed to get out. Just friendly reminder, this whole project started during lockdown because I was losing my mind and I needed a creative outlet. So to everyone who had a rough COVID, I feel for you. I did too. But it's finished. We're done. We're never going back. Hopefully. Let's just get into it. Shout out to my guy Rio at Rehab Station, bringing in some American beers. Belching Beaver. Store cold, drink fresh. One of the best feelings in the world is kicking back with a beer at the end of a long day and not worrying about tomorrow. No Worries is designed to be an easy drinking IPA with that great hop flavor we love so much. You may have problems with your significant other and they're fed up with your crap. No worries. You owe taxes, your car sucks. No worries. Imagine you're on the beach and the sun just dipped into the clouds. No worries. Cheers, Tom. Oceanside, California. No Worries IPA. West Coast India Pale Ale. Hashtag West Coast Best Coast. We did a few Belching Beavers already. And oh yeah, yes. So shout out to Bobby Garrison and James Jimmy Hunt Jalokia. Bobby brought my first Belching Beaver back, the Phantom Bride, the Deftones one. And then shout out to my girl Farley. She's like, "Where can I get that?" I'm like, "You can't. My friend brought it. She hand carried it back from Oceanside, California. That's the only place you can get it." And then I swear to God, like 5 minutes later, Rio was like, "Oh no, we got them in the fridge at Rehab. We got a bunch of them." So I picked up a bunch of them. They've all gotten good scores. Good to great. Let's see what we got here. This is the first West Coast IPA I've had from Belching Beaver. And to say I'm excited would be the motherfucking truth. Let me taste it first, because it smells like all the Belching Beavers I've had so far. I've had a very distinct note. Let me just taste it. Let's go. We do one sip. We give a score 0 to 10. We try them all until we try them all. One sip. Everybody knows the rules. So weird. One sip. Let's see what we got. Yeah, it's... I don't know how to... I keep saying this. I keep using the same word. And I feel like I'm insane. And I feel like other people have told me, yes, you're insane. And maybe it's just a certain hop that they use that hits me differently than other people. It's got like this nutty... There's a nut note. And I don't know which nut. It's like... I'm losing my mind. They're all good. It's more subtle in this one than some of the others. It's a good beer. One sip. Everybody knows the rules. All right. Well, the Belching Beaver mystery continues. We got a couple more. At least one more. It's good. It traveled. It held up. It's a nice West Coast IPA. We love the artwork. Hey, no worries, man. That's if we can continue with the theme, during lockdown, we all had a lot of concerns. Let's just say, no more worries. We're gonna get up that hill, the beach. Did I mention already? Coracle Music Festival. you haven't got your tickets, get your tickets. Be there. We're gonna listen to Black Lips on the beach at I say at sunset. That's probably not true. It'll probably be dark by the time they get on. It's an 8.7. Very nice, punchy, West Coast IPA. Did we mention West Coast, Best Coast? Let's get out there. Let's get after it. Beer reviews. Keep them going. One a day. Bah! That's a review.